Good morning, guys. I am here. Ooh, a bit wobbly. Yeah, I am here in Changi Village with Nicholas and Shin back there. So we're heading off to Pulau Ubin. It's been a while since I've done some shore-based fishing. Tide looks to be in our favor, but you'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, not expecting too much, but we'll see. Update you guys in a bit. Hey, so we're here at the ferry terminal, waiting for a friend. Oh, you can see him over somewhere there. It's Kimochi. He's getting ready, bringing some of his colleagues, introducing them to fishing. So it'll be an interesting outing for us. But fingers crossed, let's hope we land something at least. So. Alright, we're gonna Ubin! Okay guys, we're about to board our ferry, our bumboat to Ubin. Just like that. So let's hop on. So Kimochi here will be taking out some of his colleagues. It's gonna be their first time fishing. So yeah, we'll be splitting off to we'll be splitting off to 2 different groups. So hopefully you'll be able to get them guys on something. I hope. I hope. Using the Ima Sasuke 75 floating. Attach the feather treble hook on it. Fish on. Yep. Oh, off. Came off. Damn. So I got my dual Tetraworks box here, filled up with some jig heads. Take them out. It's a bit hard to do this one-handed, but it's filled with mainly 5 to 3 gram jig heads, ball, jabbers, match heads as well, some rocket. But yeah, it's between 2 to 5 grams. So depending on the water conditions, I'll switch it out.
Nice size, bro. It's landing. Look at the fish. It's coming up. It's coming up, bro. Be careful, bro.
Yeah, oh, be careful.
This is dangerous move. Don't learn this at home. Don't try this. Yes. Hey, man.
Yeah. Get to safety.
Nice size para.
Hey.
Yo.
Hey. Okay guys, we're about to head off. It's been a tough day fishing. Looks like I'm bashing, right? Oh, but no. Just finished our morning session at Pulau Ubin. We're about to head on back. Missed about 3 or 4 fish. Only landed 1. The guys up ahead had a few bites, but didn't manage to land any. Shin had a major malfunction with his reel. Huge wind knot, so it's one of the reasons why we're packing up. But so Shin, what just happened to you?
Major wind knot.
Oh, let's see.
After the take.
After a take as well. Let's see the damage.
Damn. It looks even more than my chubby hoon.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
GG. But yeah, today was a nice day overall, even though conditions were a bit tough. But catch you guys in the next video. Peace.